today's video, we will talk about impact drill. But it's not just an impact drill. It comes with a value pack. An impact drill is more powerful than a regular screw drill, but less powerful than a hammer drill. Want to know more about our impact drill? Please keep on watching. You can use impact drill for drilling in wood, metal, and soft stone types. This type of drill is less suitable for hard stone types and concrete.
Our impact drill comes with value pack, which include a hammer, adjustable wrench, screwdrivers, measuring tape, drill bits, impact drill, and a manual.
Here at KDG, we offer products like power tools, hand tools, welding machine tools, and PPEs. Oh, papahuli ka pa ba? Come and shop now! If you want more videos, please do like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching!